5, 6, 7, 8.
And my friends are wondering where I am or if I'm still alive. They're worried over nothing, they should know I'm perfectly fine. It's just a mood I get in now and then when I need to get my head clear. I turn off my phone, get lost, get gone, and flat out disappear. Well, there ain't no telling where I'm bound, a big city or a country, a little beach town, but you won't find me, 'cause I can't be found. I'm on a mission to be missing. I'll be back someday, I just don't know when. Till then I'll be a feather floating in the wind, so don't you go missing me, 'cause sometimes missing is my favorite place to be.
Please stop.
If the glass is 3 feet high and the mailbox is full of bills, 100 messages I need to check, and when I get the chance I will. But right now I'm busy taking it easy, ain't worried about stuff like that. My only concern is a left or right turn somewhere over there. Well, there ain't no telling where I'm bound, a big city or a country, a little beach town, but you won't find me, 'cause I can't be found. I'm on a mission to be missing. I'll be back someday, I just don't know when. Till then I'll be a feather floating in the wind, so don't you go missing me, 'cause sometimes missing is my favorite place to be. I love those locations where nobody knows my name, and how long I'll be staying is always subject to change. Well, there ain't no telling where I'm bound, a big city or a country, a little beach town, but you won't find me, 'cause I can't be found. I'm on a mission to be missing. I'll be back someday, I just don't know when. Till then I'll be a feather floating in the wind, so don't you go missing me, 'cause sometimes missing is my favorite place to be.
This dance is Missing, choreographed by Heather Barton. It's a 32 count, 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, a lindy to the right, 1 and 2, 3, 4, and a syncopated weave, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Section 2, rock back, recover, side, touch, kick, ball, cross, side, rock, recover. Section 3, sail a quarter turn, shuffle, right, left, right, rock, recover, and shuffle 3/4 left, left, right, left. Last section, figure 8, side, behind, quarter, step, half, quarter, behind, and a quarter left. And you start over. Now let me go over the dance with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this dance, there is a restart on wall 5 after 16 counts. Let me show you wall 5, facing 12 to start. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7. And instead of recovering on your right, you touch your right to your left, so you can restart 1 and 2, 3, 4. And that's the whole dance.